How to create a control chart using Tableau. Right now, I've got sum of sales by order date. I'm going to change my mark type to a circle. I'm going to create three calculations. Our first calculation is going to be our mean average. It's going to be the function window average. We increase the size here of our sum of sales. I can just drag that right into the view. Now we need our upper limit and our lower limit. I'm going to start with our upper limit. Upper control limit is going to be our mean average plus a window standard deviation of our sum of sales. I'm going to duplicate that field for our lower control limit. All I have to do is rename it and change the addition to a subtraction. I'm going to take those three fields we just created, our mean average, our lower and our upper limits, and drag them to the marks card. From there, I can go to Analytics and draw out reference lines. The first one I'm going to change to mean average. The next one I'm going to change to our upper control limit. And the value the label I'm also going to change to custom. I'll put UCL for upper control limit. And then I'll do one more for our lower control limit. If you wanted to, you could do some kind of fill underneath that to indicate that a mark is outside of that control limit. I could do the same for the upper control limit as well. Taking this to the next step, you could create a parameter that allows you to choose whether you want to look 1, 2, or even 3 standard deviations away from the mean. So I'm going to create an integer parameter with a range between 1 and 3. So I'll change my min to 1, my max to 3, and hit OK. I'll right-click on that and show the parameter. And then I'll go into my upper and lower control limits. Inside the mean average plus, I'll put standard deviation times, and then I actually have to wrap these in parentheses. And I'll do the same thing with my lower control limit. I'll actually just paste that in and change the addition to a subtraction. Now, as I change the parameter from 1 standard deviation to 2, you'll see the lines on the chart change. And that is an quick and easy control chart in Tableau.